We're back and we've got this downpipe to sort out. Some sausages put the downpipe right behind the tap. Nightmare. So let's cut this all out and we can get the correct fittings on there so that the customer can use their tap. So we're going to use a 112-degree angle on this. This slots onto the bottom of that bit of downpipe. Let's get rid of the old downpipe. We don't like using that old stuff. We're going to put some nice fresh stuff on there for the customer. All we've got to do, pop this new offset in roughly the right position above the drain. There looks about right. Take a measurement and then we can cut. Now while I'm doing this, I had a thought. If you had the opportunity to get £10 million now, or £1 for every time you blinked, what would you take? Because I don't think the answer is as straightforward as what a lot of people are going to think it is. Let me know down in the comments and let's see what everyone thinks. Anyway, we've got this new little piece of pipe connected, so let's pop that offset back on there, connect that to that bit of downpipe. Then to hold that in place, all we need to do is get this downpipe bracket and slot that in there. Now with this pebble dashing, a bit of a tip for you, if you chip away a few of those stones, makes it a lot easier to drill where you need to drill to get a hole in that wall. Do that at the top, do that at the bottom. Then all we've got to do is chuck a couple of raw plugs in there. We're going to use the red ones, nice and chunky. It's going to hold this in there without any issues at all. Then all we've got to do, bang a couple of stainless steel screws in there. Yes, I'm using stainless steel for this one, for all the nerds out there that get all weird about the screws. Then all we've got to do, take one last measurement, make sure that you're going to get right down into this drain so that none of that water is going to splash back up against the wall. That was dangerous trying to do that so close to my groin, but we got it done without any issues. We live to fight another day. Now let's just pop that bit of downpipe in there. Now last thing I want to use, tiny little 10mm screw. Just blast that through there. It's not going to stop anything going down that downpipe, but it will stop that downpipe dropping down into the drain. Get that last downpipe bracket on there, same as before, couple of plugs, couple of screws. We are Romeo done. Time to get out of here, on to the next one. If you like this sort of content, drop us a follow, watch some of the other videos, and I'll see you guys on the next one. I appreciate you all. Thanks for watching.